We developed a preoperative planning procedure based on realistic biophysical and functional models of the interactions between epidural electrical stimulation and the spinal cord. An anatomical model is elaborated from high-resolution MRI and CT scans. Functional MRI responses in the spinal cord are acquired when applying muscle tendon vibration. These acquisitions identify the projectome of proprioceptive afferents from key leg muscles. These anatomical and functional features enable the personalization of the computational model. Simulations identify the optimal position of the lead to recruit the targeted dorsal roots. This preoperative planning procedure guides the neurosurgical implantation of the paddle lead. Intraoperative testing allows to refine the position of the paddle lead based on muscle responses to single pulses of stimulation. A 3D CT scan enables the registration of the paddle lead in the computational model to facilitate the configuration of stimulation protocols post-operatively.